Hey guys, this is Jeff Williams of J.P. Williams Nature Photography. Tonight we're going to do a little bit different. We're going to show you how to make Amish pickled eggs. Here we go. The first thing you do is you take a pan of cold water and you put 18 eggs in the cold water. Okay, I'm going to turn my burner on high and I'm going to bring this to a full boil. Put a lid on them, and then I'm going to let them sit for 16 minutes. We're going to pour the hot water off. Then we're going to break the eggs, crack them up a little bit, and then run cold water over them and let them sit for about 10 minutes. We really don't care at this point if the eggs crack. We want them to crack anyway. So I'm just going to pour them back and forth a little bit here and get them cracked up. So what we're hoping to do is get that water soak in there and separate the shell from the egg a little bit so it'll be easier to peel because they're fresh. We're going to peel the eggs and then we're going to get back with you. Okay, so I've got a medium onion, pickling salt, garlic powder, mustard powder, dill seed. I'm going to add that to 3/4 cups of water, a 1.25 cups of vinegar, white vinegar, and a cup of white sugar. I'm going to combine everything in this pot and I'm going to bring it to a boil. So our brine is boiling right now. It's got about 2 more minutes. Once it's finished, we'll pour it over the eggs hot. And then we're going to add some yellow food coloring just for color. About 10 drops. Now they sit in the refrigerator for 4 days and they'll be done. I'll put the recipe in the description. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. And we'll see you next time. Have a happy Thanksgiving.